So here are the gift cards. I got $10, $15, and $25 worth of gift cards, and we'll see if anyone can win them. Free gift cards! Anyone?
Sorry?
Do you guys want free craft supplies?
No.
Excuse me. Before we begin, normally I don't ask you to subscribe, but we are so close to 1 million subscribers. So with that said, please go forth and spread the word. Let's get to 1 million subs before the end of July. That would be fantastic. Today's review is probably one of the biggest things I've ever reviewed. I mean, I'm standing. It has to take a lot to get my lazy bum off the chair. And this toy is called Moj Moj Claw Machine. I love claw machines. Every time I go to Japan, I love playing them and trying to get those toys because they're not as rigged as the ones in North America. So when I saw this toy, the packaging was so colorful. The characters are absolutely adorable. Now, from the commercial, looks like it works really smoothly, and we know what craft kits have done to us. They've disappointed us numerous times. Our soul went from flowers and we've become cactuses. It also boasts 6 original toys exclusive to this machine. But again, the other thing that worries me is that it actually says on the box itself, it really works. I feel like it's one of those things where people just say, I'm a very trustworthy person. And if you really are a trustworthy person, do you really need to say it? Now don't get too excited, this is a hefty price tag. It cost me $80 Canadian. It better work, because that's $80 down the drain. By the way, after we review this, we're going to head out to Michael's, pick out some gift certificates, and let people somewhere outside or maybe inside of the store see if they can play the game and win some gift cards, like free craft supplies, right? Who wouldn't want that? I guess we'll find out. As promised, let us watch the commercial.
It's the Moj Moj Claw Machine with real working claw lights and music. Grab the controls and grab a surprise. Which Moj will you get? You never know.
As you saw how smooth it just picked something up and brought it all the way. Usually the fun of claw machines is that it shouldn't just be given to you. And they just crammed in all the information of like working buttons, music, and sound effects.
Oh, a party animal. Moj 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 Moj. Soft, so cute.
Now again, we saw that they were able to play with it in 2 different ways, either the egg form or the actual toy form. So I'm going to be very curious to see if we can get the claw machine to grab both ways or if it's rigged. A lot of these things, I am so skeptical. The salt is so rising right now. Why? This is so cute.
Moj Moj Claw Machine comes with 6 exclusive Moj. Batteries not included.
All right, that's the other thing. I paid $80 for this toy. Look at me, I have my hand on my hip right now. I'm being sass. It says batteries not included. I paid 80 bucks. Give me batteries or a plug or something, because now I have to go pick up batteries and I have no idea what form.
Bruh.
All right, enough delay. Let's see what we get inside. All right, so here it is. I put in the 4 AA batteries. So let's turn it on. Okay, are we ready? What? So let's try again. So it's on. Oh! Does it keep looping? No! Okay, so it seems like the closer you are to the deadline, the more it just beeps. Oh my god. But it just dies right in the middle. It's like, I'm done. You're not picking anything up, nor am I going back up. So it just stops here. Let's press the button again. Get back up. Oh, we got something. Let's keep going. That's not hard. That's pretty easy. And how do we drop it? Oh. Oh, that is cute. Did you guys hear that? Let's hear it again. So when you win something, the music stops.
Thank goodness.
And it makes like a little da-da-da-da-da. And we have our little thing. Let's open it. I'm hoping to get the bear or panda. Seems to be a squid too. All right, and we get the squid. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, so here's the toy that comes on the inside. It's obviously not great quality. The mold itself is just kind of sticking out. It really does feel like the dollar store kind of mochi toys. Does it smell like anything? Oh, that is gross. Yeah, don't sniff those. Don't be a jack. Don't sniff things. Let's test out with a few other different things and see if we can raise the difficulty level. My goal right now is going to try and pick up this little squishy. So I put in 2 little squishies and the little Moj Moj back in there. So let's see if you can actually pick up smaller things. All right, music, let's do it. Alright. Nope, we don't got this. No! Can I pick up both? Oh, we almost got it. Alright, so obviously these big eggs make a huge difference and kind of a difficulty level to be putting up. That is good to know for when we go out there and ask people if they want free toys. That's gonna be fun and scary. I'm so petrified. So I've reduced the amount of eggs in there. Let's attempt to pick it up now. Oh my god. Why is it? There we go. Come on. Come on. No! No! Come on! Come on! This is pretty difficult, which makes it really fun. Alright, not to rain on anyone's parade, but I'm going to make this a little more difficult by putting some packing peanuts inside and putting 2 eggs at a time. Let's go see if people want free toys. Alright, so I'm at my friend's place and we decided that just toys in front of Michael's makes no sense. So we're going to add some gift certificate inside with the toys. So people won't know which amount they'll be getting and they're gonna win gift certificate. I mean, they're going into Michael's anyways, right? Alright, so here we are at Michael's. I'm nervous!
Why?
I'm so scared.
Hi. Quick question. Can I speak to the manager, please? Yes. I will just call her.
Alright, sad news. The manager said that Michael's is not allowed to have free advertisement. I mean, I'm giving you free advertisement, Michael's, but she said no. We are not allowed to ask people if they want free stuff in front of the store. So what we decided to do is go a little further from the store and ask people and then see if they want free craft supplies. So here are the gift cards. I got $10, $15, and $25 worth of gift cards and we'll see if anyone can win them. Free gift cards! Anyone? Excuse me? You guys want free craft supplies?
Sorry?
Do you guys want free craft supplies?
No.
They're too fast for my little stubby legs. I can't get them.
Want free craft supplies?
No? Okay. That's the second no. And people just don't want free craft supplies. I don't get it. Someone asked me if I wanted free craft supplies. I would take it. Well, maybe we'll have to change strategies.
Maybe you have to change your question.
So what do I ask?
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play? Oh, that's even creepier. Let's try that. Excuse me. I guess that's a no. Excuse me. Do you guys want free craft supplies? Free gift cards?
No.
Okay. You want free gift card from Michael's? No? Kid said yeah, but Dad said no. Parents, don't disappoint your kids. Excuse me. Do you want free gift cards? Because I'm doing a video.
Well, everyone wants free gift cards of Michael's.
So you want?
Yes, for
Okay,
sure.
all you have to do is play. So you have
Play.
Yeah, all you have to do is play. You have 3 different possibilities.
Okay.
You could either get a $10 or $15 or $25.
All right.
All right, let's find you a spot. Good.
Bravo!
Good. Yes! Good job. Là, tu peux voir lequel que t'as eu?
25.
25. Good job. $25. She got the biggest score, so there you go.
The receipt is too.
Yeah, and I'll give you the receipt too, just so that in case. I'm happy. I had about 4 people tell me no.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
So they don't want. So even though I had quite a few no's, having that one yes made it so worth it. I'm so pumped to do it again. So let's find some more victims. Excuse me, the gift card. That's right. No, yes, no. We're gonna have to change our strategy now to ask if they want to win. Hi, do you guys want to play a game to win a Michael's gift card? Yeah? Okay, cool. Yay! Yeah, just press the play button when you're ready.
Okay.
Which one do you think you're gonna get? The 10 or the 15?
I will go for the
Because you want the 15 one.
Come on. Is it sliding?
Go down again.
Oh.
Play again.
You have one more try.
Yeah. Oh no! Okay, he'll give it a try. I think the yellow might be easier to pick up.
So this one has something heavy in it.
Something heavy.
Where the packing peanuts are around it.
Okay, I'm gonna be okay with the peanut.
Oh no! Yes.
Oh wow, that was very hard.
Here, try it again. Yes! Yay! Good job. So which one is it?
Oh, $10.
Perfect. Oh, yay. Thank you. So we have the $10 one.
Thank you
yours.
so much. Thank you guys so much.
Have fun. Enjoy it.
So even though we're getting like no's left and rights, honestly, the yeses and the wins and people's faces that are happy with it makes it so worth it.
Do you want a free gift certificate to play a game for free?
For free, you get to play, and you get a gift card at Michael's, the craft store over there. Okay. Is that okay? Okay, so let's put it over here. Is that okay? I'll explain the game to you. Press down. Yes. Oh, you want that one?
Yeah.
Oh no! Press play. Yay! I want people to win. Yes, yes, yes! Two. So you get the gift certificate, the $15 gift certificate for Michael's. This is for you. Thank you for playing. I think this is mine though.
I think I'm gonna take this.
Bye. They wanted to take my toy. Not only did they want the gift certificate, they say give a man a hand and they want the arm, don't they? So overall, this machine really was very tested. There were kids that were really pushing it to the upper limit and lower limit, and it did some clicks, but it still works. Let me know if you like this kind of video. It was so weird for me to go outside. But I had so much fun seeing people have so much fun and then enjoy winning and then going into the craft store. That little girl that won the first one, they went inside, and by the time we finished recording this, they hadn't come out yet, so it's making me happy that they're enjoying it. Chicken was being extra screechy, right?
Yeah.
Why are you hitting me? What did I do? This week's shoutouts go to Lizzie the Cat, Wendy Finn, and Ainsley Woodruff. You abusive, you know that? Hey, stop it. If you want a shout out in my Friday videos, don't forget to hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below within the first 5 hours of a video's release, or hashtag NerdECrafter on Instagram or Twitter anytime with any of your creations. Don't forget to leave a like if you like this kind of video. I had a lot of fun. I would probably be able to do this maybe once a month. What do you do? Scaredy bird?
Yeah.
I saw you.
Yeah.
He's sneaky. If you want to watch a crafty video, make sure you click up here. And if you want to watch a video that YouTube specifically thinks is perfect for you, check it out down here. Until then, I will see you grains in the next video. I saw you.